Namaste. Today I am going to demonstrate Sukshma Vyayama, which can be practiced standing close to the wall, especially for senior citizens. It can be practiced prior to asana as well as pranayama. It increases warmth in your body. Let's start the practice. The first one is Griva Shakti Vikasaka for the neck. Inhaling, gently look up, drop your head back. Exhaling, relax. Repeat 3 times. Excellent for the neck, shoulders. The second variation. Inhale, while exhaling, turn your head to the left. Again inhale, while exhaling to the other side and repeat 3 times. The third variation, take your ear to the shoulder. Inhale, exhaling the other side. Inhale, exhaling the other side and repeat 3 times each side. The fourth variation, take semicircle. Take your ear to the shoulder, back and to the other side. Repeat the same 3 times. Now let's start with Bhujabali Shakti Vikasaka. Inhale, raise your arms up sidewards. Exhale, bring it down. 3 to 5 times you can repeat it. Excellent for shoulder, neck and back pain. Inhale, the second variation. Spread it out. Exhale, bring your arms close to each other. Repeat 3 to 4 times. The third variation. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, down. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Purna Bhujabali Shakti Vikasaka. Fingers placed on your shoulders and gently rotate your arms. 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. People suffering from frozen shoulders should avoid this rotation. Relax. We will now start Sukshma Vyayama for the back. Lower back, hips. Gently place your hands on your hips and rotate your hips clock and anti-clockwise 3 to 5 times. Both the sides can be practiced by everyone. Now the second one, legs in the same position. Inhale, raise your right arm up, stretch it up and bend. Inhale, exhaling, bring your hand down. Repeat the same each side 3 times. Relax. The next one, toes inward. Inhale, gently twist your spine. People with severe back pain should avoid this. They can practice the previous one, which was shown. Repeat this 3 times each side. Relax. The next one, interlock your fingers. Legs are placed shoulder width. Exhaling, you bend forward. Inhaling, bend backward. You should not flex your neck. You should only flex your hip. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Relax. The next variation, spread your legs more wider and repeat the same. Exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down, inhaling up. Repeat 3 to 5 times and relax. Observe your breath. We are now going to start for the knees and the thigh. The first one, hands on the knees and rotate your knees. Feel the stretch in your kneecap. 3 times, clock and anti-clockwise, and relax. Now place your hands beside your hips as shown. Gently raise your thigh up. Try to reach your thigh up to your hand. Repeat 3 to 5 times each leg for the thigh. This is called Janu and Janga Shakti Vikasaka. The next variation, you have to reach your thigh up to the elbow. Your fingers are placed on your shoulder. Relax. Take 2 deep breaths. Now let's start for the thighs and the calf muscle. Inhale up, exhale down. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Place your toes outward and heels inward. People suffering from severe knee pain should avoid. We are going to hold the posture so that you can feel the stretch in your calf and in your groin. Hold it for 10 seconds and relax. The last one is for the thigh once again, which helps to strengthen your thigh muscles. Make sure that you don't put weight on the knees. Adjust your upper body as well as your thigh. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds and then maintain it with normal breathing. Then the next one is for the ankle. Inhale up, exhale down, repeat 5 times, and the rotation called Gulfa Sanchalana. Repeat the same with the other leg. Benefit: it's good for heel pain, calf muscle pain, knee pain, and gives good body balance. Namaste.
We'll now begin with the warm-up before the Surya Namaskar practice. Griva Sanchalan. Interlock your fingers back, palm facing upward direction. Inhaling gently, look up, drop your head back, hold your breath. Exhaling, relax, look straight. Repeat it 3 times. Second variation. Inhale, while exhaling, turn your head left. Hold your breath, push your shoulders back. Again inhale, while exhaling, to the other side. Hold your breath. Inhale, exhaling, relax. Third variation. Inhale, gently look up. Exhaling, bring your ear to the shoulder. Repeat it. Inhaling, take your head back, drop it back, hold your breath. Exhaling, bring your ear to the shoulder. Repeat it 3 times, all the 3 variations, and relax. The next warm up, Skanda Chakra. Place your fingers on your shoulders. Inhaling, lift your shoulders upward direction, head straight, hold your breath, arms touching the ears. Exhaling, make a big circle, bringing your arms down. Again, raise it up. Repeat it 3 times, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Reverse now. Inhaling, take it back. Stretch your arms up, touching the ears. Hold your breath there. Exhaling, bring it down and relax after 3 times repetition. The third warm up. Inhaling, raise your arms up, sidewards. Interlock your fingers, palm facing up. Stretch your arms up and on your toes. Normal breathing. Keep stretching your arms upward as you hold the posture. Inhale deep. Exhaling, bring your arms sidewards. Relax your feet. The fourth warm up, Trikonasana. Legs are kept shoulder width apart. Raise your right arm up, arm touching the ear, and bend sidewards while exhaling. Practice normal breathing. Inhaling, release the posture. Exhaling, bring your arm down. Repeat the same, the other side. Inhaling, raise your arm up. Exhaling, bend side. Practice normal breathing. Keep your back straight. Inhaling, release. Exhaling, bring your arm down and legs close to each other. Relax. The fifth warm up, Kadi Chakrasana. Keep your legs shoulder width apart, toes little inward. Inhaling, raise your arms sideward. Exhaling, turn towards the left. Place your hand on your shoulder, other hand around your waist. Normal breathing. Inhaling, release your arms sideward. Exhaling, turn to the other side. Repeat the same. Normal breathing. Inhaling, release your arms. Exhaling, relax. The sixth posture, Utkatasana. Keep your legs apart, heels inward, toes out, hands in salutation. Exhaling, sit down. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling, come to the sitting position. Inhaling, come up. Repeat the same 5 to 10 times, keeping your back straight and heels touching the floor. Inhaling, release the posture. Exhaling, relax. The seventh posture, Utthita Trikonasana. Take your legs apart and turn the right foot to the right side. Inhale, raise your arms side. Place your left hand on your waist, right hand on the right knee. Gently slide it down, pushing your shoulders back and reaching your hand up to the floor. Gently gaze towards the other shoulder. Back should be straight. Normal breathing. Inhaling, release the posture and repeat the same the other side. Turn the left foot to the left side. Inhale. While exhaling, take your left hand on the left knee, pushing your knee back and reach your hand to the floor. Shoulders are pushed backward. Normal breathing. Inhale, release the posture. Exhale, bring your legs close to each other and relax. Let's begin with Surya Namaskar practice. Stand in the beginning of the mat, hands in salutation. Normal breathing. Inhaling, raise your arms up. Stretch your arms upward direction. Now push your hips forward. Bend back as much as you can. Normal breathing. Exhaling, bend forward and place your hands on the knees if you have sensitive back. Hold your toes and still keep the back straight. Place your palm down and stretch your spine if you don't have any discomfort in your back or neck. Inhaling, take your left leg back. Place your palm beside your foot, chin up, back straight. Exhaling, take your other leg back. The back should not sink. Place your knees down and drop your chest and chin, holding your breath. Inhaling, gently raise your chin up, chest up. Push your shoulders back, thighs downward. Exhaling, try to press your heels down, toes up, and head towards the floor. Now, for those who have sensitive knee, place your knee down and gently bring your left foot forward. Others, from mountain posture, can bring directly the foot in between your hands without placing your knee, keeping your back straight, chin up. Normal breathing. Exhaling, bring your other leg forward. Holding your toes back straight. For those who have sensitive back, keep your back straight. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Lift your shoulders upward and start bending back. Little more, push your hips forward. Bend back. Still more back. Normal breathing. And exhale. Relax. We'll now begin with counter postures for Surya Namaskar. Lie down in prone position. Sahaja Hasta Bhujangasana. Elbows close to each other. Chin raised up. Legs are close to each other. Hold this posture for 1 to 2 minutes with normal breathing. Relax, arms folded in front of your forehead and legs are apart. The next posture, Sarpasana. Keep your arms parallel to each other, legs close to each other. Inhaling, gently raise your elbows up, the navel touching the floor. Normal breathing. Hold the posture for 1 minute. Inhale while exhaling, release the posture and relax. Now release the posture. Legs close to each other, hands beside your shoulders, forehead down. Inhaling, gently raise your chin up, chest up. Come on your knees gently. Sit in Vajrasana. Knees are apart. Keeping your back straight, rest your head down on the floor and stretch your arms forward. Make sure your head and the heart in line. Release the posture and come to the Vajrasana again. We'll now begin with Yoga Nidra practice with wall as a prop. Sit close to the wall, facing the wall, and go more closer. Lie down on your back and stretch your legs on the wall, hands beside your legs. Legs can be kept crossed or apart. Hands on your abdomen. Close your eyes and relax for 10 minutes. Feel the movements going on in your abdomen.
Namaste, all of you. Thank you so much for joining.